Today's workforce is more mobile than ever. Employees deserve a full-featured, secure, and reliable mobile experience that works across networks and devices. Microsoft Teams Phone Mobile allows organizations that rely on mobile calling for communication and collaboration to elevate and simplify users' mobile experience. With Teams Phone Mobile, your business-provided mobile number and Teams phone number are the same, allowing mobile-first employees to work securely from either their native mobile device experience or Microsoft Teams. When you're on a mobile call, Teams recognizes and updates your present status, making your availability known to your team. You can easily uplift calls, seamlessly moving the call from your native dialer to Teams, gaining all the collaborative benefits of Teams. Your call history is merged, allowing you to easily track call logs across all your Teams endpoints. Outbound caller ID settings can be configured to show a company number, keeping your own business-provided mobile number private. And security policies and compliance recording solutions can be enforced, regardless of where a call is initiated. Unique integration with operators ensures enterprise-grade reliability and call quality. Teams Phone Mobile is easy to set up and manage from the Teams Admin Center. Administrators can provision and assign phone numbers or update policies from one centralized place. Learn more about how you can empower your mobile-first workforce with Teams Phone Mobile.